I want to show you 4 ways that you can actually burn 8 pounds of fat without losing any kind of muscle at all. The first one is having a black coffee. The reason why is because we want to make sure that we can get you into a fasted state as fast as we can. If you have anything that is added to that coffee, it will mess with that. Number 2, while you are in a fasted state, this is where you want to commit to some kind of exercise so that it can speed up your metabolism throughout your entire day. Step 3, your first meal is going to be around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. given that you are getting up at 6 a.m. or 8 a.m. Now your first meal is going to consist of a high fat, high protein kind of style meal. The reason why is so we can avoid that midday crash and keep coasting along. And step 4, the final step, is going to be making sure that your second meal, your last meal of the day, is going to consist of a complex carb. So a rice, yam, potatoes, oatmeal, whatever one of those, having a complex carb with a type of protein of your choice and some kind of veggies. And the reason why is because the complex carb mixed with the veggies is going to keep you fuller for a longer period of time, and it's not going to have that up and down crash that you experience when you eat foods.